how they feel about the phone, or the service, or the store location, or their rep. Okay? We can take that feedback, which is unstructured data, and mine it for insight, and see if there's any common themes that are predictive that will tell us about somebody who's ready to drop their cell phone contract. Right? Because if they're complaining, odds are they're getting ready to get rid of us as a client, or as a get rid of our business relationship. If you look here, the importance of text is that most people nowadays communicate in words, not numbers, and we need to mine text for meeting. And when you go home, I want you to look this up. Text analytics software is missing piece. And I want you to Google social network analysis. And I'd also like you to Google sentiment analysis. There are companies right now that use text analytics to find out how their customers perceive them. In the sports world, IBM has a great business case reference with the NFL because we built dashboards to look at how the NFL is perceived as a brand. But the NFL will turn around and augment that information regarding how people feel about the NFL as a brand by crawling Facebook and Twitter feeds to see what people are saying about their company. Another user of text analytics are different sports teams. I know the Washington Capitals use a lot of social network analytics. SPSS is the ability to crawl the internet, crawl different feeds to find out what people are saying that day about different brands or different industries. In this classification model, we're going to identify customers who are likely to cancel their contract. Again, just like the original example, we use data from a CRM system, but we're going to integrate in comments from a call center. We're going to extract text concepts and define fields that are easy to use, find out a modeling technique which will give us some benefit, and then generate some results. And then the idea is that we can identify which customers are likely to churn before they churn, and provide some insight into why someone is going to cancel their contract, maybe proactively give a customer a retention offer. So in most marketing organizations, we call that methodology proactive retention. I think you're getting ready to cancel my contract. I'm going to give you an offer to keep you there for another year. Maybe I'll lower your rate. Maybe I'll add features. It's usually some combinations of price and features. So we're going to open up this next one. We're going to go back into Modeler. And we're going to go up a level, and we're going to look for classification modeling. And I want you to highlight classification modeling solution. And this is a big stream, so just get ready. And there we go. Thanks for playing.
Thanks for playing.
You can actually do this on email too.
You need a Dell machine.
You can, but it's a different. It's a kind of a different use case. You can look at emails. If any of you crash like me, raise your hand. Hopefully you didn't. Solution. It's opening that specific data stream. If somebody cannot get to this stage, raise your hand. This is a monster of a project. I'll show you how to simplify it. Okay. You're good, you're good. Everybody's good. What I want you to do now is, I want you to delete some things. I want you to go over here and with your left mouse click, highlight these and delete them. See this? Delete that. We're going to simplify this up. Okay. And I want you to click on this arrow and delete the connection. Should look like that. Right click. Delete connection. We're just doing this to simplify the data stream. Good? Right click. Delete connection.
All right.
There you go. It was set. All right. So there is an algorithm here, right here, called the text mining node. We're going to open up and look at it real quick. I want you to double click on that and open it. This is bringing in comment fields from people that have been using the cell phones and either complaining about them or singing their praises. Usually complaining, right? If you see here, the text field should be sent to the comment section. If you click on model, I'm going to generate a model directly, so I'm going to click over here, not here. And the number of concepts I'm going to sift out instead of 500, because that'll take further, I'm going to look at the top 12. This list of 12 figures out what people are talking about. It doesn't figure out sentiment. It just says, yes, they mentioned this keyword. It doesn't say, well, they mentioned this in a positive vein or a negative vein. Okay? And then hit this run button down here.
How'd you get there again? Sorry. Sorry.
Double click.
On this?
Yep. Oh, there you go. Now you want to generate model directly. Put in the number 12,
Okay.
and then hit the run button at the bottom.
It doesn't work.
You guys are running out of
Generate
memory.
model
Raise your
directly
hands.
and then what?
Then
And
change
then-
that number.